Hi there. At BVT, one of the three things we do is interiors design, in particular, the design of interiors for seismic restraint. So it's a little bit hard to explain why it is we do that and what we do. So I've put together a series of videos to explain that. So this is the first one, just an intro. Enjoy. So I made up a quick model of a three-story building, and I put a bit of interiors and contents in there. So we've got some of the key elements. We've got some exposed surfaces, we've got some full height and partial height partitions, and some grid and tile ceilings with some surfaces in the plenum there as well. Now, one of the key things that's a bit difficult with these sorts of models is getting the earthquake actions right. So pretty much this video is me trying to establish what sort of earthquake actions I might put on this particular model. Alright, so to start, I'll just give it a little bit of a push at this corner here. And so here we go. That was probably a little hard. I'll reset that and we'll give that another crack. This time, just try a little bit less force. And that time overdid the vertical acceleration a little bit, so somewhere between those two, and that's probably about the right amount of movement. Alright, I'm just going to pause that there for a sec and have a bit of a close-up look at some of this damage. So at top floor, third floor, we've got surfaces come through the grid and tile ceiling. In the second floor, we've got a full height partition and surfaces askew. And on the bottom, we've got two partial height partitions that have gone sideways and surfaces that are halfway sideways too. So I think I've got a model that'll show us something useful here, which is cool. Now, just to finish up on, I'll just test the limits of this model. And let's see how far it can go, and we will see how it looks like when it gets chucked 20 odd meters up into the air and comes back down with a bit of a bang. Okay, yeah, that's totally unrealistic, but a bit of fun nonetheless. And then press of a button and it's all back to how it was. If only it was that easy in real life. Alright, so I've got a half decent model there. The next videos that I'll run will look at how I can use this model to show specific failure modes, and I'll also show some of the key seismic restraint techniques that we use to restrain interiors.